How to add password to PDF. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, download any PDF you want to add. Click on PDF and you'll find all these options. Click on Open With, then choose another app. Scroll all the way down till you find Word. Click on Word, then press on OK. After that, Microsoft Word will be opened. Click on Save located on top left corner. Make sure file type is PDF and then you'll find Options. Click on Options. Then make sure Encrypt the document with a password is ticked. And then press on OK. Then enter your password, re-enter password, and then press on OK. After doing that, simply click on Save and you're good to go. If you try to open the PDF, you'll need password. As you can see, it is asking you for your password. That's how you add password to PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. And Sophia signing off until next time.